Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to change the password on Windows 10. Let's dive right in. Changing your password on Windows 10 is actually a pretty straightforward process and can be done in just a few minutes. Open the Start menu and select Settings. Now that you have the Settings menu open, you need to select the Accounts option. Running up along the left side of the Accounts menu is a list of sub-menus. Select the one labeled Sign In option from the list. In the Sign In options menu, there will be a tab labeled Password. Select it, and then hit the Change button at the bottom. You will be prompted to enter your current password at this point. So just type in the password that is currently set up on your Windows 10 device. Now you will be able to select a new password. You'll be asked to confirm the password as well to make sure it's something you actually remember. You can also set a password hint, a word or phrase that will jog your memory should you forget your password. Be careful when selecting a password hint, though. Do not make your hint very obvious, otherwise you're giving potentially unwelcome people easy access to your device. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.